In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number on Ticketmaster. To get started, open the Ticketmaster website in your browser or launch the Ticketmaster app on your phone. Once you're there, sign into your Ticketmaster account using your usual login details. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you have more than one email address or have used Ticketmaster on different devices before. After you're signed in, head over to your account area. Depending on whether you're using the website or the app, this may be labeled as My Account or Profile. The exact wording can vary slightly, but you're looking for the section where your personal account details are stored. From there, select Profile, Personal Details, or Account Information. Again, the name may be a little different depending on the version of Ticketmaster you're viewing, but the goal is to reach the page where your contact information is listed. Take a moment to look through the available fields until you find the phone number section. Once you see the phone number field, click or tap Edit. This will allow you to replace the current number with a new one. Carefully type in your new phone number and double check it before moving on. It's important to enter the correct number, since Ticketmaster may use it for account verification, security alerts, or event-related updates. In some cases, Ticketmaster will ask you to verify the new number before the change can be completed. If that happens, a verification code will be sent to the new phone number you entered. Check your messages, then enter the code exactly as received. If you don't get the code right away, give it a moment and make sure your phone has signal and can receive text messages. After the number has been entered and verification is complete if prompted, click or tap Save to update your account. That final step confirms the change and stores your new phone number in your Ticketmaster profile. Once saved, it's a good idea to stay on the page for a few seconds and confirm that the updated number appears correctly in your account information. If the change doesn't seem to stick, try refreshing the page or reopening the app and checking again, and that's all it takes to change your phone number on Ticketmaster.